Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to unhide chat in Microsoft Teams if you've accidentally hidden a conversation or simply need to bring back an important chat thread. This quick process will help you restore visibility to those conversations in just a few clicks. First, direct your attention to the left side navigation panel of your Microsoft Teams interface. Here, you'll find several options for navigating through the application. Click on Chat. This is where all your individual and group conversations are stored and managed. Clicking this option will bring you to your main chat view where you can see your active conversations. Once you're in the chat section, look at the top of the screen where you'll notice a search bar. This search functionality is crucial for finding specific conversations, especially if you have numerous chats and need to locate a particular person or group. Click on the search bar and begin typing the name of the person or group chat you want to unhide. As you type, Teams will start suggesting matching results. Once you see the conversation you're looking for appear in the search results, go ahead and click it. This will select that specific chat and prepare it for the next step. Now that you've located and selected the conversation, you need to access its settings. Click on the conversation itself to ensure it's active. Then look for the three dots beside it. These three dots represent the More Options menu and contain various actions you can perform on this chat. Click on these three dots to open up a drop-down menu with several choices. From the options that appear in this menu, locate and click on Unhide. This action will restore the chat to your regular chat list, making it visible again in your standard chat view. The conversation will now reappear in its proper place among your other chats, allowing you to easily access it whenever you need to continue the discussion or review previous messages. And that's it. You've successfully restored visibility to a hidden chat in Microsoft Teams, ensuring you can stay connected with all your important conversations. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.